Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple and powerful data entry form in Microsoft Excel, a quick and efficient way to input data without scrolling across endless rows and columns. Whether you're managing students' records, inventory, or survey results, this method will save you time and reduce errors. Let's get started. So this is the table that we're going to use. It is a typical employee information list. So this is what we have here: name, employee number, department, and then who is their manager. Okay, so as with any employee list, from time to time you have to add more names, reduce or remove names, and also make changes. To do that, we have to select the entire table. We are going to use a data entry form to do this. So we select the entire table and we have to convert this list to a table. What you've selected is just a list. We're going to convert it to a table. To do that, we press Ctrl T and then this menu comes. So Excel is asking me if my table has headers. Yes, it does. These are the headers: name, employee number, department, and manager. So it has headers. If I don't choose this, it'll think that these headers are just part of the information. So we choose it and then we click OK. Then it is converted to a table. So we now have to bring up the data entry form. So when you look up here, this is the quick access toolbar. You know that we have the ribbon here and it contains all the tools we need. But on the quick access toolbar, we have the tools that are more frequently used. Some of them are not here. So form is not here. We're looking for data entry form. It's not there. So we now have to bring it up. To bring it up, we just click on this button and we look for it. You see, the ones that are present here are those that are checked. So it is not there. So we go to more commands. These are the commands here. Let's look for more commands. I click on more commands and then we have more commands here. So what command are we looking for? Form. Is it among the popular forms or commands? No. So I click here and then I look for commands that are not in the ribbon at the moment. So I click on it and then it's going to be somewhere here. These commands are arranged alphabetically. So that is F. We look for F. Form. So this is what we're looking for. Form. And these are the ones that are already on the quick access toolbar. So when I click form and I click add, it's going to be added to them. So I will click OK now. You see what we have here is form. It's been added. So now we are going to bring the form, the data entry form. Remember, we brought it here. This is it. So I click on it. But make sure that you have clicked anywhere, somewhere on the table. So I just click here in the middle and then go to form. So this is the entry form. You see, we already have data inside. So it's reflecting what we have here. What if you want to add a new name? You simply click new and then I'm going to type the person's name. John Brown, John Dean. Okay. His employee number is 55. His department is HR. And that is it. I click new. I want another one. I want to make another entry. Click new. You see that John Dean has been added at the bottom here. So let me add another person. Sophie Mensah. And his employee number is 33. He belongs to the sales department. Kapil Gupta. And his ID or employee number is 88. He's in the administration, or let's put him in finance. Okay. So when you are finished, you can just click close. That is it. You have entered the data. What if you want to do this again? You still simply click anywhere in the table and then you click on the form, and this is what you have here. You can scroll through next. You said it's going through it. It's easier on the eye. Then to go back, this is it. So that is your data entry form. We can also use the data entry form to delete records. As we did before, we click anywhere in the table and then bring the form, and we can scroll through. Maybe David Chang is no longer working with us. I want to delete, so I just click delete. Displayed record will be permanently deleted. Okay, and it's gone. Let's delete the next one. Let's find, okay, Sandy Stewart, no longer here. Go here, delete, and it is deleted. Once you finish what you are doing, you simply just click close, and that's the end. Now I'm going to do this with a fresh table. If you have, let me delete these records. Let's delete everything here. Right click and clear contents. So this is a fresh table. What I did was with an existing table. If you happen to have a brand new table, this is what you have to do. It's the same thing. You will highlight the table and highlight the list. I should call it lists as at this moment, and convert it to a table by pressing Ctrl T. See, highlight and then Ctrl T. And my table has got headers. Yes. Okay. Now we bring in the form. Click and the form comes and you start typing. Okay. And I press enter. You see that it has brought it here. I type Mary, employee number, and I press enter. You see that it is all coming in here. Okay. So now there is a bonus tip that I have to show you. When we are entering data in columns that have already known values, it is better to use a drop-down list. With the names, we don't know what to expect. With the department, we know what to expect since we already know the exact number of departments, finance, HR. So we want it to be a drop-down list. So the person doesn't have to type it manually. You have to select from a list. To do that, let's select the range and go to data tab, the data tab, and we go to data again. Then we select data validation. So at this moment, what should it allow? We're going to validate data means to confirm it, to check it before it is allowed to come in. So at this moment, this range we have selected will allow any value to be entered, but we can change that. We want to restrict, even if you type numbers, it will accept it. So let's select here and change that. We don't want any value. Let's go to lists so that people will select from a list. So we click on list and then the source of the list. We highlight the whole thing here and then click OK. So when you are entering, you come to department. You don't have to type. You just click here and then you select admin. You click here and you select whatever department the person is working for. Because when there's less typing, there's less chance of making mistakes. And so that is it. You've just learned how to create and use a data entry form in Excel in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the IT Academy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have you got any questions? Drop them in the comment section, please. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.